In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create segments in Metabase 2026. Segments in Metabase are reusable definitions of a group of rows in a table. Think of them as saved filters you can apply across questions and dashboards. They help your team stay consistent, reduce repeated logic, and make it easy for non-technical users to explore data with confidence. Start by opening your Metabase instance and signing in with an account that has admin access. From the main interface, head to the admin settings where you control the data model and other workspace-wide settings. Once you're in admin, open table metadata. This brings you into the data model area where Metabase understands your tables, fields, and how they should be used. Here, you'll also find the tools for managing segments so they appear consistently in the query builder and in dashboards. Next, go to segments. The segments page lists any existing definitions your team has already created. Viewing what's there first can help you avoid duplicates and align with any naming standards your organization follows. Click New Segment to create a fresh one. You'll land on a setup screen designed to define who or what belongs in this segment. Metabase lets you base the segment on a specific table and use its fields to shape the criteria. You'll also see fields to provide a clear name and an informative description. Begin by naming your segment. Choose a short, specific title that reflects the business concept, not just the filter. For example, active customers communicates better than something cryptic. If your team uses prefixes or tags, keep those consistent so segments sort sensibly. Then write the description. Explain the intent in plain language and summarize the rules it represents, like time frame, status, or key thresholds. This note appears to colleagues as they build questions, so clarity prevents misuse and makes onboarding smoother. That's it. You've created a reusable building block anyone can apply in the query builder without rewriting the same filters. Good naming and thoughtful descriptions turn segments into trusted, governed components of your analytics. As your data and definitions evolve, revisit segments to keep them accurate and aligned with current business logic. For long-term success, keep segment scopes narrow and business-focused. Use relative time windows thoughtfully, and avoid embedding personally identifiable information in names or descriptions. Align with data owners on definitions before publishing, and document any changes so teammates understand what shifted and why. Clear, stable segments become a shared language for analysis across your organization.